In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your LinkedIn background image on mobile. First, open the LinkedIn app on your phone. From the home screen, look to the top left and tap your profile icon. A small menu will appear. Tap your profile picture again to open your profile page. This is where you can edit your details and, most importantly for today, your background image. At the top of your profile, find your banner area and tap the camera icon on the right side. You'll see two options: add a cover image or create a slideshow. The slideshow feature is available with a premium subscription. Since we're sticking to the standard experience, go ahead and choose add a cover image. LinkedIn may show you ready-made banner templates, sometimes powered by services like Lumi. If you see one you love, you can use it right away. If you prefer something customized, you can design your own image using a tool like Canva on your mobile device. Open the Canva app and search for LinkedIn banner. You'll find a wide range of templates sized for LinkedIn's banner space. Pick one that matches your style or industry and customize it with your colors, branding elements, or a short, clear message. Keep the design clean and readable. High contrast text and simple graphics usually look best. For best results, aim for a wide, horizontal layout similar to 1584 by 396 pixels so it fits the banner area without awkward cropping. When your design looks good, tap the share icon in Canva, select download, choose your preferred file type like PNG or JPG, and start the download. The time it takes depends on your internet speed, so give it a moment to finish before switching apps. Now return to the LinkedIn app and tap Upload Photo on the banner editor. Select the image you just downloaded from Canva. LinkedIn will let you crop, adjust, and even apply a subtle filter. Take a moment to make sure your key text or logo sits away from the edges and isn't covered by your profile photo. If anything looks off, you can go back to Canva, tweak the design, and re-download. When you're happy, tap Done. It might take a few seconds to process, so be patient. Once it updates, you'll see your new background image live on your profile. That's it. Your LinkedIn banner is refreshed and ready to make a strong first impression. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss new uploads.